My name is Kadreanna. If you're new, welcome. But today's video, I'm going to be taking these passion twists out of my head because it's been a long time coming, y'all. My head is tired, my neck is tired, and it's time to take them out. But before I take them out, I want to try and make them into a bob. So let's see how that will look, and then we're going to take these bad boys out. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to take this back section right here. Just a little bit right here. And I'm going to kind of just cut it like this. Well, they still hold up. They don't unravel or nothing when I cut them. Now I'm just about to just cut these like kind of diagonally. Okay, y'all, so I think I really like this hairstyle, so I might just wear it for another day or two because I'm kind of feeling it. What y'all think?